Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another Prize Picks video. And yesterday, man, Gary Trent Jr. was one shot attempt away from helping us cash a 5x play. And it's still pushed, so we still got a 3x payout. I put $20, got $60 out of that one, right? And look how close we were to having a huge day, man. One more assist from this 3x payout. Jaden Ivey could not come in clutch for us, man. He could not get that extra assist. Oh, man, oh, man. And then look at this. So this one, well, obviously this was just a split one. But, man, this player right here, another one. Cade Cunningham, Pistons player, letting me down so consistently. Man. And it's not like I'm a Detroit fan or anything like that. I just look at I find whatever has the best value for the day. And, you know, a lot of times, you know, these players pop up with, and their stats pop up with amazing value or, plus EV, right? And, it's just, man, oh man, Pistons players, y'all are pissing me off. But it is what it is. We're going to go ahead and get back on it. Look at that. Almost $200. Well, that would have been 5x. So almost $100 payout out of that one. Cade Cunningham could have came in clutch for us. Yeah. But I'm glad we got this play right here, man. I think we're just down 1 unit from yesterday, so it's all good. Let's get to it. Let's give y'all a winning play for today. We're gonna go ahead and make a 2-man 3x play for on the player prop shop today. Again, so right, if y'all don't have the player prop shop, make sure you go to theplayerpropshop.com/DSP. The link is in my description down below. And if you could add a week subscription to your cart, and they're going to give it to you for free, man. Just add a week subscription to your cart and you get your first week completely for free. All you have to do is use code PropShop at checkout. Pretty simple, man. You look, they got the day pass, the month, the week, and the year access. So make sure you go ahead and get on that. And let's get to it, man. Let's go ahead. Let's see what we got. So we go to the player prop shop right here. So you see they give you the plays and, you know, what the money line, or if you will, is, or, you know, the over is on it. The payout, right? What the payout is for an over or under play, right? So the first one we're going to go ahead and take is Amen Thompson over 22.5 points plus rebounds. This actually went down to, on PrizePicks, to 21.5 points plus rebounds. So even better for us, right? And this is why they like him. It's because the rookie Amen Thompson has a strong presence on the court at the moment, presenting a significant challenge for the Bills forwards defensively. His explosive athleticism makes it difficult to impede his drives to the basket, and he exudes confidence in his abilities. In the 3 games where he received starting minutes, he significantly surpassed his point total, scoring 10 out of 25, 8 out of 18, and 11 out of 20, with the middle game against a defensive adept Cavs. As a dynamic player, he thrives off the energy of the home crowd. His ability to penetrate from the rim for high percentage shots and draw fouls to get to the free throw line further enhance his scoring potential. Awesome, man. So that's why we like Amen Thompson to go over 22.5 points plus rebounds. His minutes have been upticking consistently over and over, right, over these past few games. So let's go ahead. Let's lock in. Let's go to PrizePicks and let's lock in Amen Thompson over. Oh man, there it is. Amen Thompson over 21.5 points plus rebounds. And you can see here, he's hit this line 3 of the last 5 games. He got 35 against Washington, 26 against Cleveland, and 30 against Washington again, man. So let's go ahead. Let's look for him to get that over 21.5 points plus rebounds. And then the next player we're going to combine it with, he's already on the board. He's right here. He's one of these guys, right? So we're going to go to a player prop shop again, right? So we're going to go down. I really like this play. It's not on PrizePicks yet, man. Nikola Vucevic over 11.5 rebounds. So going up against the Rocket, going up against the Rockets. I really like this play, but it's for some reason not on PrizePicks yet. So, I mean, look out for that one later on, right? And then again, they like Amen Thompson over 8.5 rebounds in just by themselves. But the play that I like right here, man, Michael Porter Jr. to go over 16.5 points. New York Knicks going up against Denver. This line is set at -128. And man, he's consistently surpassing his scoring prop expectations night after night. The Knicks have demonstrated vulnerabilities in defending perimeter shooters like MPJ, right? Setting the stage for him to regain his shooting rhythm on home turf. Over the last 10 games, Porter Jr. has averaged 20.6 points per game with a home average of 18 points per game following extended road trips. Notably, he has achieved 19 points or more in 4 of the last 5 games. Considering that the Knicks' ongoing struggles with significant injuries, Porter Jr. seems poised to exploit the advantage of playing with his refreshed energy at home, man. So lock in Michael Porter Jr. over 16.5 points. We went ahead and did this play earlier in the week and it cashed. So let's go ahead and let's do it again, man. Over 16.5 points. Look at that. We played it against Minnesota and he got 26. He's been crushing it lately. So we're going to go ahead and take MPJ over that 16.5 points along with Amen Thompson to go over his 21.5 points plus rebound. That's the MPJ play is probably my favorite play of the day. So we're gonna go ahead and put $20 to win $60 on that one. Alright, everyone, those are the plays for today. If you want to go ahead and get on my VIP, all you have to do is go to winnable.com/DSP and you just subscribe to a plan and you can literally get the plays texted or emailed to you on your phone. Then you just have to tell the plays. It's pretty simple, man. There's a free plan, day pass, and there's the VIP, the $50 weekly or $150 per month. Alright, everyone, take care. Make sure you lock in that play and let's go ahead. Let's make some money.